Okay, step one, decide how much money you want to make. $900, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, and just set that amount and save it. Then just pick a topic, and it can be any topic, like sports, fashion, cats, dogs, travel, cities, even flying saucers. Who knows? The possibilities here are endless, so you're just gonna have to use your imagination on that one. And once you've decided, just simply type out 1, 2, maybe 3 words related to that topic. Make sure the money you wanna make sure that price is set, hit save, grab a link, post it in 2 different places, wait a couple days, and watch this money start to appear in your bank account. In 30 days, you'll make whatever price you set for yourself. This is a really fun and creative way to make money, and it's not going to cost you a penny to get started. There is zero investment on your part. It's available all over the world, and really all you're going to have to do is think of a topic. It could be any topic. Type out just a couple words related to that topic and make money. It really is that easy, which makes it great for beginners. This is great for beginners that want to make passive income online in 2021. Just follow along with me in this video. I'm gonna break it down step by step for you. I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna be doing it myself as you're watching me here, okay? And once you get this down, you can just do this over and over again. Just keep thinking of new topics. Put this on repeat. Make this money on repeat, baby. But first, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Hit the subscribe button for me, okay? Then I want you to go out and I want you to tell all your friends, everybody you know, your neighbors, your family, your friends, everybody about Online Moneymaker, okay? I want you to go spread the word, okay? But after you watch this video, not right now, after you watch this video. But hit that subscribe button right now, baby. Then like and share it. The first site we're going to get started with here is called Bonfire, bonfire.com. It's a print-on-demand website. If you don't know what print-on-demand is, essentially, and there's other sites similar to this, but this one is by far the easiest to deal with. You don't need any technical skill whatsoever. You can basically, they give you templates to design your own shirts or coffee mugs or whatever, you know, stuff like that. But we're gonna be focusing on t-shirts today, okay? And you don't have to pay any money for this. They let you design it for free, okay? Then you're gonna get a link, and then I'm gonna show you where to put that link. This is a brand new strategy. If you've ever watched a print-on-demand video before, you haven't seen this strategy yet, so keep watching. Before you sign up, which is easy, you might just wanna come right here to where it says Explore right here, hit this, and these are gonna be some great ideas for you as far as a topic is concerned, okay? But just watch this video because the strategy I'm going to show you will reveal itself, and that will make it easier to settle on a topic, okay? So when you sign up here, go ahead and hit this Sell Online menu right here. Don't go to create a merch store. We want to go to Sell Online in a campaign. So you'll hit that, okay? And then we're gonna get started. This might not let me go. Yeah, okay, so I've already signed up. I'm already a member here. So all it is basically your email, a password. You can also sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. When you first sign up, your page, your dashboard will look different than this. I've already got a couple designs going, but somewhere up here, you'll just see where it says Start New or Create Design. So it's either Start New or Create Design, okay? And then from here you can pick, you know, whatever, if you want to pick another product. We're sticking with t-shirts here, okay? T-shirts. So first thing you want to do is you can customize the color of the t-shirt if you don't like gray, so you can do like, you know, red or whatever, you know. We'll stick with stone gray right now. That's actually kind of a cool color. And when you want to put text on it, very simple right here. So let's just type in, how about Online Moneymaker, okay? And we'll just hit add text here. And we can see that it appears right here just in basic white, basic font over here on the shirt. Now we can customize all that. We can change the font, which we would probably want to do in this case. Who knows? I'm not going to waste too much time on this. That kind of looks cool. You can make it bold. Where did I see that? Yeah, here we go. Never mind. You can change the color of the text right here, so let's just make it red, or that's pink, I guess, whatever, that's fine. You can change the size of it right here, okay? The next thing you can do if you want is you can come up here and you can find graphics. They've got some basic ones for you here. You can go through these, and then once you were to add one of these, you can change the color of it, okay? Or you can upload your own art if you've got your own design and you're that type of creative person, then good for you. Use your imagination with this, okay? But before we pick a topic, I got to tell you a little bit about what we're going to do here. We are going to find a topic that's got a large audience base that also has charities attached to it. For instance, like a cat rescue or a dog rescue, or even like autism with kids, who knows, or eating vegan. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so for this example, let's just use cats. You guys know I love cats. I'm always using cats as an example. Why? Because they're great. So, the first thing I would do here, I kind of want to get, if I don't already have an idea in my head of what kind of Cats t-shirt I want to make, I need to go find what Cat t-shirts are already selling. What are the big sellers within this particular niche? So for that, I would do this. I would visit two different websites. The first one being Etsy.com, and I would just type in popular cat shirts, okay, and just see what comes up. So the hot sellers should come up first, and that would hopefully give me a couple ideas. I see a lot of interesting graphics here. Meow right there. Cats and tats and naps. That's actually pretty cool. I like that one. Cats, tats, and naps. Three things I love. Space Kitty. I like that. These are all pretty cool. Okay. I'm here live. I'm not a cat. Okay, yeah, we can waste too much time on there. So Etsy.com, and I'd also go over to Amazon and do the same thing. Just type in cat t-shirts, and the best sellers should appear first. So, see, you know what these are? These are print-on-demand shirts. This is somebody else probably using Bonfire, or there's another one called Teespring. All these people, they just came up with something clever. Meowdy, that's a cool one right there. Meowdy. We might want to keep that one in mind, because we can copy these people. We can write Meowdy and put a different picture up there. These guys don't have a copyright on this stuff anyway. That one's cool. That looks a little complicated to make though. We won't. Yeah, see, these are all good. See, okay, now I'm going down the rabbit hole here looking at cat t-shirts. Probably gonna place an order later. So you can get some inspiration this way from Etsy or Amazon. Now let me show you another little trick you can do. Maybe we want to put a slogan on the t-shirt, something cool, so we can get those for free. We can get free ideas on these. Go to a site called slogangenerator.com. I'm sorry, slogangenerator.org. slogangenerator.org. There's also slogangenerator.co. So there's a number of different sites like this. So we can just type in, let's say, type in I love cats, and then all you'd want to do is just generate slogan, and they'll come up right here, okay? Professional I love cats purveyors, we don't want that. You can just keep hitting generate slogan. I go to I love cat folks now. See, none of those are good. Let's just put in regular, how about cat rescue? Cat rescue, and see what happens here. The fine cat rescue craftsman. Okay, you get the idea here. Okay, we don't need to waste a bunch of time watching me go through these slogans either, but just type in whatever keyword you want here, and every time you hit generate slogan, a new one's gonna pop up right there for you. Okay, so I just did a very simple design here. I just grabbed this heart from right over here in the graphics. I think it was right here. I added that in. I changed the color to red. Then I just added the eye and the cats here. Very simple, but you know what? Sometimes simplicity sells. I'll tell you that. Simple shirts, oftentimes are the biggest sellers. Now, this might not be the most beautiful design, but you don't need to spend all day watching me create the perfect t-shirt. That's your job. That's your creative license, and that's what you got to do. So let's say we're happy with this shirt. Just go ahead and hit next right here, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we are going to sell this design, okay? So start selling. We don't have to pay any money for this, okay? This is not gonna cost us anything. Okay, here, this is important. This is where you wanna decide how much money you wanna make. Now, by pulling this bar up, this is the estimated number of shirts that are going to be sold, and this is your estimated profit based off that. So I want you to set this price 2 times higher than what you expect to make, okay? So let's say we wanna make $2,500 this month. So we'll set it right at $5,000. Why is that? Because we are going to be approaching various charities with this, not charities, but forums related to cats. And we're gonna post our link on these forums in front of millions and millions of cat lovers, or whatever topic you come up with, and say, hey, 50% of all the profits from the sale of this shirt go to, and then we'll have to find a cat charity. Now, this is the honor system, people, okay? I suggest if you're saying you're going to donate 50% of the profits to a charity, that you do it. Because if you don't, and you're saying you will do it, that's called fraud, okay? And it's also being a crappy human being, and we don't promote that on this channel, baby. Okay, so let's say we're all good to go with all this. We'll hit next again here, and we should get down to, okay, so this is all stuff that the first batch length, this is going to take 15 days to get. So from the time somebody actually buys one, it's going to take the first batch 15 days to get there, okay? And let's say this is good for us right here. What's the best way to describe your campaign? How about animal rescue, okay? And we can do other stuff here, but we won't worry about that right now. We want to do standard, which ships directly to the buyer. See, this is the thing about this. We don't have to handle any inventory. We don't have to take any monetary risk buying a bunch of shirts before we sell them. We get paid when one of these sells, and they will send it right to the customer, just like drop shipping, basically. Okay, so we'll select that. And for your campaign type, we want to select this one, make money. We do not want to select fundraise, even though technically we are fundraising for a charity. But if we select fundraising here, that means we're going to have to enter that charity's banking information. The money's going to go directly to them. There's going to be no profit for us. Okay, so we're going to select make money and then hit next right here. Then we're going to want to add a title to this, because this is essentially what the landing page is going to look like, okay, when somebody clicks on your link. So we want to type something in here like don't donate now, okay? Now you're going to have to take a little more time, like find what charity you want to donate to first. And let's say, in my case, this is for cats. Let's say the ASPCA, that's an animal rights organization here in the United States. So donate today. Okay, then we would want to just put a little description here. 50% of all sales of this shirt donated to the ASPCA, or something like that, okay? Because we're really going to do that, people, okay? If you're going to follow this method, you got to honor that. You got to donate the 50% to whatever charity that you promised to donate it to, okay? And you got to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Once you're ready to go here, hit launch, okay? And this right here, this will be the URL that takes them directly to your sales page, okay? So you're going to want to copy that and save it in a folder, copy that, and then you want to agree to the terms of service right here, confirm, and launch, baby. Launching. All right. So now we're good to go here. You got your URL, so we'll copy that, and just to test, let's put it into another tab here, and make sure it functions properly, and it should after it loads. Okay, good. So there we go. And this will make it real easy for somebody to buy that shirt, and 50% of the profits are going to go to you. 50% are going to go to the charity of your choice. Don't you feel good today? Now you're going to take that link, you're going to come over here to Google and type in cat forums in this case, or whatever topic you're dealing with here. Type in that plus forums and see what comes up, and there should be a ton of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get involved in all these forums, okay? Then you're going to post your link, okay, thecatsite.com. This one would be perfect. We're going to register here, and then we're going to comment in here, hey, 50% of all the profits from this beautiful cat shirt are going to the ASPCA, so do a good deed, get yourself a cool shirt in the process, okay? The other place you're going to put this is Facebook. You're going to go to Facebook groups and type in your subject, get involved in every one of those groups. And if you do not have a Facebook account, just sign up for one just for this. Create a page. It takes 30 seconds. You don't have to have any friends. All you need is access to these groups. And Facebook groups, the millions of people will see your link on that. So if you follow those two strategies, Google and Facebook, you're going to make those sales, and you're going to be doing some good in the world. Hey, do a little more good in the world right now and subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Hit the like button on this video. Share it with the world. Have a great day.